Happy evening, friends. Today, I would like to explain you 9 ways to bring around people without giving. So, because of our attitude, because of our behavior with others, without giving anything to them, you can bring those people around you. What are those 9 steps? Let us see. Begin with praise and honest appreciation. When your teammates did a good thing, appreciate them. And so, with an honest approach. And they must feel that you are appreciating them honestly. And they feel that they are deserving that appreciation from you. And so, appreciate them with honest approach is the first step. Call attention to people's mistake indirectly. So, nobody is found in this universe or world without doing mistakes. We are all human beings. To commit a mistake is a common. That people usually commit common mistakes. It's quite common also. When they make a mistake, bring those mistakes to their notice indirectly, instead of saying you did this wrong thing, you did this mistake, you are not fit for this, you are useless, you are not a worthy person. Don't do like that. When your teammates make a mistake, call their attention indirectly. So if it could have been done in that way, that may be the right pathway, like that. So call attention of your colleagues or friends or teammates indirectly about their mistakes. Third one, talk about your own mistakes before criticizing the other person. As I told you, to commit a mistake is possible for anybody. So when you make a mistake, so you just tell them and then start criticizing others. Ask questions instead of giving direct orders. This is a very important managerial skill. So instead of giving do this and giving orders, so ask them how it will be done. They will suggest a method which you also feel that is good, which you also want them to do like that. Then you can say, okay, go ahead. Anyhow, you have suggested, why don't you go ahead. Ask questions instead of giving direct orders. Praise the slightest improvement and praise every improvement. So when they are improving, when they are responsible for the improvement, and when they are cause for the improvement, so then praise them, appreciate them, reward them for every improvement. And so even that may be the slightest. Let the other man save his face. So you must give an opportunity to your teammates and colleagues or people to rectify themselves. Instead of reminding them the mistakes they have done, instead of telling them you did like that, so that was a terrible mistake, that was a blunder, instead of telling like that, so give an opportunity to realize their mistake and to save their face. Give the other person's fine reputation to live up to. So tell them how important they are for the organization, how unique they are, how great they are. So give them a reputation for them. And in such a way, they feel that they are unique people, and so that they can lead a happy life. So then use encouragement, make the fault seem easy to correct. So always try to encourage them. Instead of criticizing them, instead of blaming them, always try to encourage. You can do in a better way. You are a worthy person. You are a person of self-confidence. You are a great chronic optimist. Why don't you do like this? You can do. You can create wonders. You can create miracles like that. Always try to encourage them and make their faults tell them their fault is so easy that can be rectified. Make the other person happy about doing things you suggest. This is very important. When they feel the thing you are suggesting or the thing you suggested is happy for them to do. So, when you assign a work to them, they voluntarily feel that is so happy for them to do that work. So then they will be happy. So whatever you suggested to do, for doing that, they feel happy and they do that willingly, wholeheartedly, then you are a great leader, then you are a great motivator, then you are a great boss to them. So by following these 9 principles, and you can make the people to come around you, and you can lead your team, you can lead your organization, you can do your project in a wonderful way. Thank you for your patient listening.